Today I will make C letter logo using Adobe Illustrator. First, get the ellipse tool and pressing Alt and Shift make a ellipse. Now get a copy, go to edit and copy and paste in front. Now resize it. Now change the color stroke. Increase the stroke. Wait to the end of the video. I will show how to add mockup to this logo. Now select the inside circle, go to object and expand. Now get the line segment tool, pressing Alt and Shift make a line. And add a stroke. Now make the another line. Now select all, get shape builder tool and pressing Alt delete some parts. Now remove this line, delete. Now select this part and delete. Now select all and get pathfind and unit. Now get direct selection tool, pressing Shift, select these two anchor point and drag the mouse. Now add the gradient. Now open the Photoshop mockup. You can download this preview.com and add the logo here. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. See you next video.